Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a look at the Hatch Restore 3 Sunrise Alarm Clock, a beautifully designed smart sleep companion that combines a sunrise light, sound machine, and screen-free bedtime routine into one minimalist device. If you've been struggling with sleep or just want a calmer way to start and end your day, this device might be exactly what you need. The Hatch Restore 3 stands out because it focuses on natural sleep rhythms instead of jarring alarms or bright screens. The sunrise simulation slowly brightens your room with warm, gentle light that mimics a real sunrise, helping your body wake up naturally by supporting cortisol activation. At night, it works the opposite way. Soft, dimmable light cues melatonin release so you wind down smoothly without overstimulation. The built-in sound machine offers white noise, river sounds, rain, gentle winds, and more. These sounds help mask background noise, making it ideal for light sleepers or anyone with noisy surroundings. Its speaker is clean and warm, creating a relaxing sleep environment instantly. The smart light system also allows you to personalize colors, brightness levels, and bedtime presets through the Hatch app. The design is simple, modern, and fits any bedroom aesthetic. The putty color blends beautifully with neutral spaces, and the soft touch fabric makes it feel premium. It's purposely built without distracting screens, no blue light, no notifications, no visual clutter. Everything is focused on promoting a healthy sleep cycle so your nights feel restful and your mornings feel refreshed. Quick pause, letting you know you have not reviewed this product yet, so this will be a brand new upload for your channel. The Hatch Restore 3 isn't just a clock, it's a full sleep system. Whether you're dealing with stress, irregular sleep habits, or looking to improve your morning productivity, this device helps guide your body naturally. With a combination of soothing sounds, calming light, and structured routines, it turns your bedroom into a peaceful sleep sanctuary. Make sure to check out the Amazon link below to buy it and support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and gadget breakdowns.